All right. Hello, everyone. Here's our video for today, our instructions for our assignment, which is who started the Cold War. Uh, First, some uh, couple of housekeeping things that all late work and redos are due by the 16th, and Schoology will be open today for from 8 to 12 for mini units 9, 10, and 11 only. We're not worried about 12. That's going to be in market period 4, so don't worry about 12, only 9, 10, and 11. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? We're going to try to figure out which of the two nations, the United States or the Soviet Union, that started the Cold War. All right, so this first document here is the Truman Doctrine. This is a document created by the U.S. president at the end of World War II. So you read the document there, and we have three questions. Remember, a closed reading for 1 to 3, that means you're taking information from the document, whereas a context type question, uh, you're going to have to use your historical knowledge, information you gain from the reading check or the Cold War origins in the previous unit. All right. Uh, On to the next document, document B. This is from the Soviet perspective. All right. Uh, and we have three questions. Again, remember, a sourcing question is about the author. So that's what that's going to be dealing with. We're looking for source type information. Close reading, again, is for question 5, we'll be diving into the text to find the answer. And question 6, the context, you need to make use of your historical knowledge as well as the document to answer that question. And we'll wrap it all up with question 7 using the documents and your knowledge of history. Who started the Cold War? Was it the United States or the Soviet Union? Be sure to explain your answer thoroughly. All right. I hope everything is going well. And as always, please email me if you have any questions. That is all for now, and good luck.